What is going on, guys? Saba Trading here, back with another video. Today is March 12th, 2025. And as you guys can see, we did take one trade today and we got a profitable trade. So quick recap. We opened up the day at about 5:13:11. We rejected down to Monday POC. I know this is Tuesday, but disregard the Tuesday. Came back up and tested that VWAP, rejected, and ultimately came down to the current day value area low. Came back up to test the POC, and we also just came back down to value area low to consolidate a little bit, creating a lower high. And after I see the kind of mixed movement of the MACD and the signal, and I see the signal actually come up over, that's kind of telling me that it's really getting ready for a move down. Again, we reject the current day POC for basically a fourth time. And after I see a bullish candle, which would be this one right here through the value area low, along with the actual cross of the MACD and signal for downside, I then entered my trade and held for 30 minutes and was able to come out profitable with a 54% profit trade. And I'll put that up here right now so you guys can see it. So this trade was definitely my confidence level, I'd say about an 8. I just wasn't very convinced throughout the whole time with how slim the histogram was playing out. But nevertheless, I was respecting, one, the rejection off the value area low, and the fact that we were coming down to some more volume profile levels. I'm not the guy to explain to you guys what these levels mean and what they, how they work. That's definitely something you guys will have to learn on your own. But up until about right here, I did get a thought to sell. However, I have to respect my actual level here, all right? So seeing this push up somewhat hurt. Again, I mean, I had a thought of selling here, so seeing the move up that was pretty strong for them 4 minutes was kind of like, dang, I hope this trade doesn't, become non-profitable. But I was still confident in, even if we did come up to here, that we would have enough selling pressure to still come back down. We created an even lower high from here, which was good to see. And then I just knew to respect these levels on down. I didn't have another bottom till right here, which is September value area low. And we were we were a whole dollar off actually. So I'm glad that I sold after 30 minutes. That's somewhat of another rule I have, which is don't, get rid of your contract too fast, but don't hold it for too long either. So 30 minutes is a good range for me. So I set that up for 30 minutes. And luckily enough, today it hit right at 30 minutes. That was exactly where I wanted to really sell, was at 555.08 or 555, I guess you could say. We created that low, and I mean, from there, it was kind of history on the day. We came all the way back up to that Monday POC, and then we essentially just traded range bound here between the value area high and the value area low of the current day. So overall, there was a lot of good areas for trades. There was a lot of room to make some money today. As long as you respect your strategy and your levels, or however you trade, that's typically what's helped me here, making these videos and being able to rewatch them and upload them and just hold myself accountable to my trading in general. Whether it's your mentality or your strategy or your, how locked in you really are. Are you trading every day because you can, or are you trading every day because it's benefiting you? I know I personally do get, like, I guess, a sense of euphoria from trading. It feels good. It feels like I'm doing something in society. But no, I mean, like, trading is fun to me. It's something that I've really come to enjoy, and not just trading, but like the stock market in general. It's pretty interesting, and I've come to feel very passionate, and I feel like making YouTube videos on my trades and keeping a log of that kind of does show that. So, anyways, enough rambling for that. I think maybe next month I'll start. I want to really organize things. I might do like market updates 2 or 3 times a week, and alongside with my trading update post that I'm currently doing. Um, there's going to be days where I don't upload, and that'll basically mean that I didn't trade that day for whatever reason, whether I was busy or kind of not feeling it. There have been days where I don't really feel like trading, but you know, we'll get there when we get there. So again, sorry for the rambling. I appreciate everyone that tuned in and stuck it out. I hope you guys have a good. I hope you guys had a good trading day, and I hope you guys have a good trading day tomorrow. Peace.